welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec DP505 Byte Mid Tower case. So friend, Antec has announced the DP505 Byte Mid Tower case, and friend, the chassis features visual effects with X-shaped front panel design, ensure a massive air intake for ideal cooling performance of the components, and friend, the ventilation grids on the top, at bottom and at the PSU chamber of the case accelerate the airflow, and friend, the magnetic and pull out dust filter at the top and the bottom allow for easy cleaning and maintenance, and friend, the 4 mm non-drill tempered glass side panel lets the user show off the build, while the interior of the chassis allows plenty of space for water cooling and case fans. And friend, it measures 481 into 220 into 490 mm, and it is compatible with eATX, ATX, micro ATX and ITX motherboards. And friend, for fans support, the case accommodates 3 120 mm or 3 140 mm or 2 185 mm in the front, and 3 120 mm fans or 2 140 mm fans on the top, as well as 1 120 mm fan in the rear and 2 fans on the PSU shroud. And friend, 3 120 mm ARGB fans in the front are already included in this neat gaming case. And friend, it can accommodate a 360 mm radiator in the front and on the top, and 120 mm radiator in the rear for extra water cooling. And friend, the case boasts a 2 convertible tool-less 3.5-inch HDD drive case and 2.5-inch SSD mounting space, as well as 7 expansion slot. And friend, IO panel features power and LED control button, 2 USB 3.0, 1 Type-C, 3.2 and mic and audio jacks. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.